I tried making a live. It didn't go well. It didn't work either. So I guess I could just do this. And people have been unfriending me. Isn't that just great? I hate when people unfriend you because you don't know who the person is. It could be anyone. Oh no, I'm whispering. Sorry, you can't hear me. If you can't talk your own language, then why do you have that language? Anyways. I want to be in my vid. I've been recording for like a while now, and I just kind of came back to it. And I'm gonna yell at him. He's like, I don't know. Oh yeah, I also made a video about the No Eye Glitch. Go check that out. Too bad you're already in it. Too bad you're already in it. Comment down below how to make a successful stream on OBS. I'm making it now. How can I tell you what video? I didn't even make a title yet. Can my phone hear me? I meant troller tree, not trick. I might be a little laggy, so sorry people. That is a horrible thing. Wow, okay. Oh! Let's see if it's a troll or trade. Yeah, okay, I thought so. I thought so. Oh, that's a cool username. I like you. I like you. Have a cupcake. Okay, let's just go to Brady's lab. Just look if people have anything. I have to pause real quick because I'm going to get food. It won't take me very long. So I'm going with one of my parents! Oh, I have a text message. Looking for good trades, people. Adrian. Adrian! I'm selling my car. XX. I know that person. They unfriended me. How dare you? How dare you unfriend me? How dare you unfriend me? I'm recording right now, should I just say? I'm recording. How dare you unfriend me? You have to buddy me now. I'm being forced. Oh, that's sad. Reject. That's just sad. That rejection right there. So depressing. Hey, at least I'm not that bad. I'm lagging. I'm not lagging that bad anymore. Okay, I gotta go. I'll be right back.